Dear friends, one of the secret for the divine success is happiness. The happiness mindset. If you wanted to have always successful in life, there should be an emotion and feeling of joy, happiness in your heart. So, the mindset of happiness is the secret for a successful life. Because according to the law of attraction, like attracts like. If you are thinking about the blessing that you have received in your life, there will be emotion of joy. How the emotion of joy is created? It is a memory. It is the vibration we create in our brain. We think in the gratitude what we have received it. The moment, that is why Jesus says, if you have, you will have more and more. The one who is having, he will have more and more. So always remember in your life what are the blessing you got it. Before going to sleep, count your blessing, write it down in your diary, or it is in your memory, bring in front of the Lord and start to thank the Lord. Minimum count 10 blessings that you got it in your life, and it will create emotion of joy. Once there is emotion of joy in your heart, you will attract more and more positive things. If you are having brooding over the sorrows, brooding over the problem, you will attract the problem, and you will be helpless situation. The reason you are attracting the problem, because you are thinking about the problems, you are thinking about your painful experience, setback and failures. Where the mind is focused, it expands. Where what the mind is focused, it is expand. So when you count the blessing you are focusing, you started to attract more and more blessing. So always remember, the moment you got great success in your life, maybe in the school days, maybe your Holy Communion day, your marriage day, you got a child, you got a job, you got very great success in your graduation ceremony, and remember all the milestones of your success. If possible, you write down in your diary which are the mind step, what are the milestones in your life where you achieved a great moment of your life. When you think about all these things, just to not simply reflect that with the inner, it is in your brain side, you must be able to see very clearly, very vividly, very dynamic way, very colorful way, with all the feeling and emotion you remember. You bring that emotion into your soul, feel it as if you are experiencing, and every day you bring it all that joyful moment, and you will attract in your life. Knowingly or unknowingly, wherever you go, you can see very good things are coming, and thank the Lord, my life is programmed such a way, my brain is programmed, wherever I go, I get only good things are coming, only right people are coming, right opportunities are coming, right things are coming. You claim in your life, only the positive people are coming, the positive incidents are coming, only the joyful things are coming. Wherever I enter into, I will be victorious and successful. Great. In Habakkuk chapter 1:5, no one will be able to believe it. Such a great blessings are coming to you. Great things are coming to me. Great things are coming to me. Great and glorious things are happening through me. And your life become a legacy for others. It will be a great contribution to other people. your life will be joyful. We have only one life, and that life should be happy, joyful, cheerful, a life of blessing for others. Great and glorious things are coming to me. Great and glorious things are happening through me. Only good things are coming to me. The right people are coming. Right opportunity. Great things are coming. Great abundance are coming. That is my life. It is the happiness is a mindset, because you are thinking the God's blessing and thanking the God. So create an emotion of gratitude. That is the way you create a happiness mindset. And just smile to everybody. Smile. Remember all these things and think only the positive things, and smile, radiate the love. Love will come to us. Beautiful life. I wish you great things in your life. Amen. Be happy, be jolly, be cheerful. Amen, amen, amen. Thank you.